In this video, I will show you how to see first message on Instagram. Now let's say I don't want to scroll up any further and tire my hands and do the extra work. All I have to do is this trick. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to tap on this icon right here, or you can just swipe right. Then you will be able to see your messages. And then let's say I want to see our first message. All I have to do is to tap on their name and then tap on search. Now, you just have to remember your first message exchange or the context of your first conversation. Let's say, hi. Now, it will allow you to see or go back to the messages that have context of hi. And you will be able to see or scroll up where is your first message. Now, in iPhone, all you have to do is to tap on this bar right here and you will be able to scroll up furtherly without tiring your hands. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!